Welcome to the Strawberry series, where I showcase many treats made out of strawberry. We are making a cold summer treat, the Strawberry Cream Shortbread Cake, thanks to King Arthur's recipe. The link to the recipe is in the description down below. To make the shortbread crust, we will need flour, confectioner's sugar, salt, softened butter, and vanilla extract. Just mix all the ingredients together until it becomes a dough. Then you pat it at the bottom of a springform pan, poke some holes with a fork, then bake the crust. For the filling, wash your strawberries, then remove the hull. Put them in a food processor with lemon and some sugar. Pour the plain gelatin into the water and gently heat in the microwave. Then pour the liquefied gelatin into the strawberry. Cover and chill the strawberry filling in the fridge for 45 minutes, stirring every 15 minutes. The gelatin is firming up. Before the last 15 minutes are over, beat up the whipped cream into stiff peaks. Make sure you like and share this video. Okay, now we fold in the strawberry mixture into the whipped cream. Look at the nice pink color. Spoon it on top of the crust that you had baked and spread it all around and try to smoothen it as much as you can. Then we chill it, and here is the finished product. I put mine in the freezer and then afterwards decorated with some strawberries for garnish. Now let me cut you a slice and look, it's like ice cream and cake all in one. It's definitely a cool treat on a very humid summer day. I hope you get to try making this too. Thanks for watching.